Hello everyone. In this video, let us learn how to collect switch support save using SANnav. Switch support save saves RAS log, trace dump, support show file, core file, FFDC data, and other support information that would be needed by the technical support team to investigate an issue for which you have raised an SR. Let us log into the SANnav management portal. Select SANnav, Services, Support Save Management. The Support Save Management dialog box is displayed. Select all or individual switches to generate support save. Check the box on the left next to the chassis name and select Generate from the Action drop-down to collect all switches. Or you can generate the support save from individual switches by selecting this switch. In this example, I am going to generate the support save logs for G620 switch. Drop down and click on Generate. The Generate Support Save dialog box opens up with several options for the user to select. Select the desired protocol, SFTP or SCP. Fru dump. Only fru dump data will be collected. Include prefix to the file name. You can add, for example, data center name or any other prefix. Upload generated file after completion. You can automatically upload the file to FTP, SFTP, and SCP site. Use password to protect the file. You can give the compressed file a password if needed. Reset counter. You can reset the counters on the switch after completion. In this example, I am not selecting any of these options. Now click on OK. Support save generation is in progress. This might take some time to complete. Once the support save is started, the status of the support save management dialog box shows the progress under the status column. When the generation of support save is completed, under the same dialog box on the generated files, the collected support save is seen. Using the drop-down on the right, download the collected support save logs. You can share it with technical support team for investigation of an issue. Thank you for watching.